Hello and welcome to a quick introduction to WordPress Creation Kit. My name is Christian Antohe, I'm the co-founder of cosmoslabs.com. So, what is VCK? In short, VCK helps you develop intuitive WordPress sites easily manageable by your clients. With VCK, you can create repeater custom fields, post types and taxonomies, and build your front-end templates directly from the WordPress admin UI. But more than that, you'll get access to 6 powerful tools that you can enable or disable depending on your project needs. We have the custom fields creator, the custom post type creator, taxonomy, front-end posting, option pages, and the Swift templates module. Now, let's talk a little bit about each one of these. Now, let's start with the custom post type creator. Custom post types are new post types that you can create for your project. Normally this is done via a big chunk of code, but VCK allows you to do it with a simple UI. Let's create a custom post type called product as an example. We'll type in the name, singular label, plural. We can choose whether this is a hierarchical post type. We'll leave it to false, and we also don't want an archive for this post type. And let's select to support a thumbnail as well as the title and the editor, and that is it. As you can see, we have here our new custom post type, and if you go now to products, can create a new product basically using the default WordPress UI. The custom fields creator. With VCK you can create and assign custom fields to existing post types like posts, pages, or our recently created product post type. Let's add a normal meta box with a few extra fields for more structured information. We'll need to click add new, give it a name, okay, give it a meta name, which should be okay. We'll then select our post type, product. We don't want a repeater or sortable, so that's fine, just click add entry. Now we need to add the actual fields. For our product, I would like to have an SKU number as a text, the price, and available sizes. This should be a checkbox, and we have here S, M, L, XL, add entry. Now we created our meta box with the fields in it. Now let's see how it actually looks on our new product custom post type. I'm gonna hit publish first. Now let's go to products, add a new product, and now besides the default title and content area in WordPress, we actually have access to a new meta box with the product arguments. So let's create a new product. Let's give it a name, WordPress t-shirt. This is our WordPress. Okay, we can actually set up a okay, and let's add the actual extra information that we just created with VCK. 345. The price should be $19, and we have this in these available sizes. Excellent. We hit publish. And this is how you add extra meta boxes with extra fields on pretty much any custom post type inside WordPress. Categorizing your information is really easy with VCK. You can create custom categories or tags with our taxonomy creator. Let's do that now and add a custom category for our product's custom post type. We'll give it a name. Okay. Attach to product, and we can choose whether this is hierarchical or not. We're gonna go with true because it's a category. Add entry. So we now have our product category here. Let's go to products, and as you can see, we have the new product categories available, and we can add a new product category. Let's say white, and let's add another one, black. And now let's go to products and edit the newly created product, and it's right here available for us to select it. And that is it. All we've done up to this point was to create a new data structure, the products, and add some extra fields to it and a new category. There are two ways to display this information in your theme. One, by using our VCK Custom Fields API and default WordPress functions, basically custom coding this directly in our theme, or using our Swift templates module. Let's go with the second option. Let's hit add a new VCK template. Now let's start by giving it a title, and we'll call this the product archive. Archive, yes. Okay, so we'll start off by selecting the post type, which is product, and save a draft first. Now we have the possibility to add some query arguments. Basically all I want to do is just give it an post per page of 10 and leave it at that. So if we're gonna have more than 10 posts per page, we're gonna paginate. And now we have access to the Swift templates, both for the archive page and for the single template. We'll start off with the archive page, and UL plus product. Okay, and what we have here on the right side is the actual tags we have available for our product. So let's, and to make a loop, we'll just copy this posts tag. Okay, now we can actually close the UL, and inside this one we'll have a list item, and let's do an H3 with the post title, which is the name of the product, and we'll have the content. As you see, the content is actually in 3 parentheses. That's because by default we're escaping HTML, and if we put 3 parentheses, we're not escaping it anymore. Okay, and what I'm actually interested in are these, the extra fields. Okay, so that's that. Next, let's add the pagination after the UL. Perfect. And another thing that I forgot is to create a read more button. So ref. Now normally we have two possibilities, either the actual permalink or the Swift permalink. The Swift permalink generates a dynamic single page, takes you to a dynamic single page, but this time we just want the normal permalink, and you're gonna see later on why. href. Okay, read more. Okay, perfect. Now let's copy this for the single because it's the same information. And let's remove post content from the listing because it really doesn't matter that much in an archive page. And we have the full information right here on our content. Okay, perfect. Let's hit publish. As you can see, we have a new shortcode called product archive. Let's copy that one, go to pages, create a new page called products, and just paste the new Swift template shortcode there. Hit publish, and let's view our page. As you can see, I listed our products basically, but since we only have one, and if we hit read more, it's going to take us to our main page. However, as you can see, there's no extra information here, even though we added it to the Swift templates. So let's go back to VCK Swift templates and enable the single template to be managed by VCK. So we have this little select box here, checkbox, and we can use this template on all posts for the selected custom post type. So let's hit publish, or update in this case, reload, and right out of the box we'll have access to the new added information. Now it's not very pretty because I didn't format it in any way. However, with just a little bit of CSS and HTML, you can actually create a template in a fraction of the time it would take you to actually build it using the WordPress templates. Finally, another interesting thing that we can actually do with VCK is front-end posting. Basically, adding information about our pages, our posts, or our products in this case, directly from a page in the front end. So let's start doing that. We're gonna hit add a new front-end posting, give it a name, add a new product. Okay, choose the product. Anonymous posting, we're gonna put no, because we want to be logged in order to post. And let's turn on admin approval to no as well. Now I don't know the shortcut page yet because I haven't created it, so I'm gonna skip it for now and come back to it later. Next, we need to actually construct our form. Now, as you can see, we have access to the post title, the content, featured image, and our meta box that we just created for our product. So let's go with title, content, the featured image, taxonomy, so we can select which taxonomy it is, and the meta box. Excellent. We also can change the actual labels and messages. We'll leave those as the default for now. So let's hit publish. Okay, copy this shortcode, go to pages, hit new, add new product, paste our shortcode, hit publish. Perfect. So let's hit see our page, and we actually have a beautiful new form that will add new products in the backend directly. So let's try and add a new product. This will be a WordPress cap. I don't actually have a picture of a WordPress cap, but we should do for now. This is a nice WordPress. Okay, let's upload the featured image. Okay, use it. Insert into post actually. Product categories. This is gonna be a black one. Let's put an SKU number. The price will be $9.99, and we only have this in L and XL. And we have just added a new product. So now if we go to products, where we added our Swift template shortcode, as you can see, the new WordPress cap is available, and I can click on it, read more, and all the extra information. And because this is an actual WordPress post, we can edit the product, and it's gonna take us to the back end where we have the meta boxes with the extra fields and the rest of the information. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more about WordPress Creation Kit, visit our website at cosmoslabs.com. Take care!